Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and that's the Mercedes-Benz GLS450d, and you'll have to ignore the crackers noises in the background because Diwali got over a few days ago and people are still bursting crackers. So anyway, we have the best firecracker right here, and I will show you the car from outside. I will of course switch on the headlights, but then before that, the puddle lamp. Beautiful, right? And yeah, it's on both the sides. All right, the running boards are lit as well. Okay, now I'll switch the car on and let me show you. Oh, the cabin lights are bright. Right. Soft touch, soft closed doors. Yes, sir. Okay, I want you to concentrate on that when I open the door. And the puddle lamp once again. Oh, I'll switch the rear fog as well. Is it on? Yes, now. As is the case with Germans, only one fog lamp at the rear. Okay, so these are, well, these classify as two fog lamps, but then generally when we say two fog lamps, that would mean one on each side, so that's one fog lamp. Okay, or you can say what, 1 2 3 4, and then each one of these has, I guess, around somewhere around 4 to 5 LEDs each, so in total these would be 20. But then yeah, someone who's following would see two rectangles glowing, or squares. So now let's go to our usual spot. In fact, I'll start from there and take the car to another spot which is much broader, and yeah, because this is a special car and it deserves a special video. All right, let's begin. 3 2 1. Look at that dance. All right, please ignore this. Okay, this is still okay. The moment it goes below 205, then it would be a concern. Not really, below 180. Anyway, so I will of course fill in air and bring it on par. In fact, I'll correct tire pressures in all 4 tires. So yeah, you can ignore that for the moment and concentrate on the headlight. Let me show you the cabin lights once again. Okay, nice. All right, and you can see the ambient lighting as well. Let me switch on. All right, let me show you the high beam as well. Okay, I am leaving it on auto. So that you can actually see this. I'll keep my hands here, right? This is not the correct way to hold the steering wheel. This is the correct way to hold the steering wheel. But I think I'll hold it, like this, so that that I'm not doing anything. The car is. No, this is not the right way, and I never hold the steering wheel like this. Please don't hold like this. Okay. In fact, you can see in the cluster, I've put it on active/adaptive mode. Okay. In fact, manually, all you can do is you can just switch the high beam on. All right, that's it. That dance and this see would happen automatically if you leave it on adaptive/active mode. All right. The headlights are of course brilliant, no two ways about it. Just leave it on auto and regular viewers would know that I am now choosing a different route, and you'll soon know why. That was me. Okay, so in auto mode you can of course, while overtaking, let the other person know that, hey, I am about to pass you, get off your phone and pay attention to the road. Look at that, look at that. I hope you're able to catch that. This is all me. Beautiful headlights. Now, okay, I want you to pay attention. 3, 2, 1. Look at that, just look at that. Wow, wow. So this is why I got the GLS here, and now it should go back to the low beam. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Yes, it did. And again it would go back to the high beam. No? Why not? Yes, it did. And you would also be noticing that this is such a silent car. Of course, I did not expect anything else, you know, from a Mercedes-Benz S-Class SUV. This is a, you know, this is the GLS.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with it right now.
I'm not talking to you, ma'am. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that.
Your phone now.
Yeah, so I was saying that for a diesel, okay, to be this silent, that's something. That is why you buy such cars. One of the reasons, of course. I'll up the pace now. That's me. Whoa. Look at that. I'll get all the cars for the headlight review here only. And I'm sure you guys would not mind, you know, a slightly longer video, right? Oh, this looks so beautiful. I'm glad I came on this route. And I'm sure you would agree. Can you even tell that we are doing 120 right now? Man, I love this car. I love this car. I mean, this is all the car that you need in India. Seriously. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and do hit that like button. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment please. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to show you the camera. So here it is. Brilliant, brilliant. So this is the rear view. Okay. And oh, by the way, you can hear the outside noise because the windows are open. See. Okay. All right, this is the rear view, and that's the front side. Okay, and can even do this. Yes sir. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.